Assalamu alaikum to all of you. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to discuss about the question answers which are related to present to be tense, or you can say present tense of to be. Conversation in tenses. There are 22 question answers. So let's start. What's your name? My name is Abdul Razaq. What's your father's name? My father's name is Habibullah. What's your caste? My caste is Bheen. What's your age? My age is 32 years. Or you can ask this question. How old are you? I am 32 years old. What are you? I am a teacher. Who are you? I am Abdul Razaq. How are you? I am fine, thank you. Where are you? I am in the class. Or I am at Abdul Razaq English Coaching Center, Moro. Where is your attention? My attention is here. Where from are you? I am from Moro. Or you can ask this question. Where are you from? What's your religion? My religion is Islam. What's your qualification? My qualification is MA English. What's your nationality? My nationality is Pakistani. What's your national status? My national status is Pakistani. What's your social status? My social status is a teacher or a student. What's your hobby? My hobby is reading. What's your favorite color? My favorite color is white. Who is your favorite Nath Khan? Who is your favorite Nath Khan? My favorite Nath Khan is Razaq. What's the name of your city? The name of my city is Moro. What's the name of your country? The name of my country is Pakistan. Who is your best friend? My best friend is Muhammad Asif Raza. Who is your favorite teacher? My favorite teacher is Sir Abdul Razaq. For getting more videos, subscribe my YouTube channel and share this video. Thank you.